This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Super nice home with a double car attached garage and 16x20 shop with power. Large open floor plan with a nice living room with a door out to a covered patio in the fully fenced yard. Beautifully updated kitchen with lots of room for the chef in the family. Nice master suite with a full bath, 2 additional bedrooms plus an additional den that could be used as a 4th bedroom. Showing by appointment only. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.